Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to recreate my birthday look with my peach or pink hair, however you want to call it. For me it's more peach than pink. So I went a little bit crazy this year and wanted to try something new. I love the look, I love how my makeup came out, and I love how everything came out. So I wanted to recreate for you guys. I want you guys to see the steps that I did and how I achieved to look cute or whatever. Like, I think I look cute, okay? I look very cute. So okay, so I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. There is a red button. I'm gonna show you how it looks like. It's free, doesn't cost anything, and just subscribe. Next to it is a bell. It looks like this, and if you click on the bell you always get notified when I post a new video. And yeah, sometimes YouTube don't really let, even that you're subscribed, they don't let you notice when I post a new video. So when you click the bell button, they will let you notice every time I post a new video. So first of all, I'm gonna start off with my wig. And yeah, I went to the salon. I hope you guys have already seen my salon, my first salon visit. The experience was amazing. If you haven't, please go and check my first salon visit video. Is very nice. So I'm gonna wear my wig cap because you need to protect your hair. So now I'm going to go in with my Eco Styling Gel and lay down my baby hair. And before I put my wig on, I am going to spray my wig with the Wig and Wave hairspray. The lady gave me this at the hair salon because she said it's very good if you have a synthetic wig that you wanna, wear for long, of course. Spray a little bit on, and then it's really easier for me to detangle the hair. Then I just put on the wig. So this wig is not a full lace wig, it's just a frontal. Only this part is lace. I don't really do much to it. Just take a gel and I just, lay down some baby hairs. So after that, I just take a hairband or any band that you have, lay it down. So guys, now I'm up close. You can see all my pores and all my pimples and whatever. So I'm gonna start off with my eyebrows. For my eyebrows, I'm gonna use Wet n Wild. Actually, my friend Gifty used this eyebrow pencil on my brows when we did the makeup artist versus makeup lover challenge, and oh my god guys, since that day I am in love. Like, I am in love with this eyebrow pencil. So now that my eyebrows is filled, I'm going to go in with a pencil and make sure there is no gap in my brows. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty concealer and then shape my brows more the way that I like. So friend Gifty gave me this tip to use a lighter concealer on my at the down on my brows, and use a darker concealer, not really dark but like a foundation, more on the top. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. That one is a little bit liquid, so let me see if it's gonna work. Okay guys, so this is how my brows are looking like. So it worked. Yeah, so but this foundation is very liquid. So now I'm going to prime. I forgot to prime. I'm going to prime with the Master Prime from Maybelline. If you guys watched my Maybelline full face makeup tutorial, then you already know how much I love this primer. I hope I mentioned it in the video. If not, then you guys know it now. Now that I've put on the primer, I am going to go ahead and blend the concealer so that it doesn't get dry. So I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty foundation. It's in color 440. And then I'm going to take my Real Technique beauty blender. I'm done with my foundation, I went in with the concealer and I just, you know, applied it under my eyes, so like this. And I feel like going back and forth like this, you warm the products on your skin. So, and then the rest of product I have, I just apply. I modeled for my friend Gifty. Please go and check the video on her channel. It was a Ghanaian Independence Day makeup tutorial, and yeah, I modeled for her that day, and she gifted me this lovely Too Faced chocolate bar, I think, palette, and oh my god, the colors are just amazing. So I'm going to get my hands on the Too Faced foundation and the Too Faced concealer. I will try and get my color with the Jackie Aina collaboration, and I've been wanting to try this out but I haven't had time. So I'm going to set my face with this white translucent powder. I'm using this palette right here. Use the darkest shade actually. I wanted my hair to stand out, so I went really basic with the makeup look. So after that, I take a clean brush. I then went in with this color right here. It's like a really shimmer golden. On my actual birthday, I went out to eat with my friend Abna, and then on Saturday I went out for lunch, and then in the evening I went out with my girls and one guy. For my inner corner, I think that made my look very, how do you call it, very vibrant and very like wow. I'm going to use this pink color right here, and then I'm going to go in with this pink. So I don't know, I just wanted to try something new. Usually I always go in with gold, but I was like, you know what, let us try something new, and I just went in with pink, guys. I just went in with pink. So guys, this is my contour brush from World Technique, and dust the product off, and I don't really go down anymore. I used to do, so I just go like a little bit right here, and then I go in. You know, I just follow my natural contour line and I just make it a little bit more. I'm using the Kiko highlighter, the Glow Fusion. So guys, then I went in with this lip gloss. It says Volume Revolution Lip Gloss Waterproof from P2. I think I bought this lip gloss in Germany. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it's from P2 and it's my favorite. So I just put it on. So now I'm going to use my Morphe setting spray. That's how it looks like to set everything. Guys, if you're tired of the look like the water setting spray, where sometimes it's not a good setting spray, like you can see the spots on your face, then you need to buy this right here. This is like a very good setting spray. I love it. Oh my god, guys. So now we're gonna set our face. So this is how my birthday makeup hair looks like, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you guys want me to talk about wigs, how to apply wigs, how to, you know, take care of your synthetic wig, how to take care of your human hair wig, Brazilian, Peruvian, Chinesian, Indonesian. I'm just kidding, guys. So if you guys want me to make more videos about how to apply wigs and, you know, more details on how to glue them down, then please also comment down below. Feel free guys, like literally this is your channel. It's not about me, it's about you guys, about what you guys want to see, and it's about what you guys want to learn. So I'm here to learn with you guys. If you have any video recommendation for me to do, feel free to comment down below. One subscriber told me I should do more challenges, so there's definitely more challenges coming, and yeah, that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love this look. I feel like it's so girly and so flirty, and you know, just not the average next door neighbor girl, you know. I'm like the girl that flew out from Korea. I'm like the girl that flew out from Korea, you know. It's new, it's bringing a little bit spice in the neighborhood, you know. Yeah, that's the kind of look I was going for, okay? If you haven't subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe. If you haven't clicked on the notification bell, also go ahead and do that. If you don't follow me on Instagram, then please go ahead and follow me on Instagram. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching, love you, and I would love to see you in my next video. So don't rush to, you know, go. I know you have time. I know you want to see this pretty face more often, so there's a bunch of video linked down below. Just go ahead and watch them and let me know your opinion. I love you guys, and I hope you enjoyed the video. See you in my next one. Bye. Yeah. Yeah. Step 4. Step 4. Step 4. Step 4. Step 4. Peace out.